What is going on, guys?
You're?
My boy just installing a turbo real quick, but Marcel is currently on his way, and we are gonna be test fitting his those gold wheels he had, the SSRs. He didn't really run that setup too long, but yeah, we're gonna be test fitting them on the 240. And you're gonna be slamming the 240 as well.
I'm just gonna see how the fuck it looks, just for shits and giggles.
Yeah, so he's bringing the. Oh, they're squared, right? They're all the same.
Yeah.
You do the front or the rear?
I'm only. Wait. Like, slamming
Because
it?
he's bringing two, yeah. You're gonna slam the front.
I'm just gonna slam all around.
Oh, okay.
Just for shits and giggles and
I feel it. Yeah, so Marcel's actually willing to sell the wheels to Leo for a really, really good price. So if they look good, Leo's probably gonna pull the trigger. So yeah, should be pretty dope. Seeing how the 240 is gonna look with some actual wheels, and yeah, it has coilovers in the front or
front and rear. I think they're like
rear.
Cusco fronts with TN strings, and then the rears are like Godspeed coils. There's some shit. I don't know, some fucking copy.
Yeah, so it has two different coilovers, guys. So yeah, well, should be pretty interesting. Marcel should pull up in like 10 minutes. Hopefully we have enough daylight, but should be quick.
I mean, it only has 2 lug nuts, so it'll be easy.
Oh yeah, it does only have 2 lug nuts. I see you added some stickers. Oh, look.
They're heavy?
A little bit.
These are lighter than my other wheels.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
What are these 15s, right?
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting you.
Ooh, kilo pops.
You can have them. They're not mine,
I wasn't
but
gonna ask you in the first place.
they're not mine, but you can have them.
Oh. Yeah, it does.
Yeah, dude.
If you had like made like a 20550,
Yeah, that's what's only handy. I did put these on up at 20550.
because it'll bulge out from there.
Yeah. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh. If you guys know what kind of coilovers these are, let us know. But they about to get maxed out. Hot boy.
Oh, she's biting her nipples.
Hey, what are you guys doing back there?
It was some big ass udders.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a small.
Ah, fuck. I'm pretty sure with the 10mm spacer look good.
Oh yeah, it's not even that bad.
Bank shot!
Hey, did you hear? Modern Warfare 2
Hash
is
ringing, clinging, slinging, hash linging, clink.
Modern Warfare 2 is
Bro,
backwards
you don't
compatible.
want it.
I'm gonna buy it right now after this at GameStop.
No, you're not.
Yeah, GameStop closes at like 8, I
Well,
think.
you're gonna get shot all night if you get it right now. I'm just letting you know that.
Look, bro. Just wait until they bring back fucking Black Ops
Hey, across the map.
across the map.
Bank shot.
Just get,
One in the
just
chamber.
get a random hit marker just pops up.
Hey, in the money. Are you serious?
I don't know.
Honestly, I believe you right now. Yeah, I'm gonna need some.
So you guys, we got some different coilovers up front.
Hey, I don't know.
Whatever, they're getting maxed out either way.
This is gonna fucking bottom out.
What's going on over here?
I'm taking off this crustacean of a tape. This is tape. This is tape, guys.
Why is it? I don't even want to know.
It's to hold the chassis together.
I should have brought all 4. Oh well. And the right side's gonna be all lifted. Yeah, no, we didn't think this through.
It's okay, buddy.
I didn't know I was gonna be just lowering it for shits and giggles. I know. Cause what?
Oh.
Yeah. It's on the jack.
Damn.
It's time for the brick squad.
There's that toe hook.
Oh, right there.
Oh.
Oh fuck. It's on the
It's
body.
still stuck? Damn. We need another brick?
Yeah.
I should probably grab the door. Put it on. Oh yeah. There's hella bricks over there.
There's brick squad over here. It's brick city.
How can you jump these walls?
Alright, so let's try this again.
Yeah, we're
I don't
gonna
know
need
how
a fat tire.
Yeah, okay.
I mean, it looks sick though.
Yeah, it does, huh? Should we try rolling it down?
I don't know. It's kind of steep.
Bow!
It's kinda...
Why don't we jack up the front and then
Yeah,
take the
that's
brick out?
Yeah.
He said,
Damn, bro.
I like the wheels, but I don't like the tires.
sorry, Leo. I tried as much as I could. Yeah, but sure, with a 205 should be straight.
Yeah. But the right tires, they look pretty sick, actually.
It will, huh?
How much clearance? Ooh, bitch, you good. No wonder why these things are always dumped.
Guys, seeing the wheels on the 240 just... I can't wait, Leo. I can't wait. I heard Leo's gonna go Rocket Bunny and
Wait, what?
2J, RB26.
In the money.
Nah, but for real, like, fuck. Marcel, let's get 240s.
Fuck no, I can't even afford a Civic.
Dude, come on, Marcel, think about it.
Make it rain.
I get an S14, you get an S15, we'll have the whole family.
Where the fuck you can get S15 from?
Canada.
True.
Let's go Canada. We'll go visit, what's their name? Locals?
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 Local? I don't even know. Let it rain. Clear it out. Chicken noodle soup. What's soda on the side?
Yeah, there's a lot of tape and residue from I don't know what all over this car, guys.
Yeah, this shit, I don't know. We're just gonna have to say fuck it and just fuck the paint up. 'Cause this shit is not coming off unless we have like some type of industrial goo off from Monsters Inc. or something.
Hey, Leo, you know that the degreaser David
that
used?
simple green shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, the one that he used on his engine bay that stripped.
You
his
still
paint.
have it or no?
No, that's David's.
Ah, fuck. Well, help David.
You know what the bright side is, though?
What?
It's on SSR.
You have brand new tails, dude. You have brand new tail lights.
That is
I still can't get over the fact. Like,
I know, I was
why does it
watching it, I
have
was-
brand new?
When I first seen it, I was like, oh shit, got brand new tails.
For real, dude. Hey, Leo. So how many things have you sold so far?
2 things.
2 things. Oh, the corner lights and
Yeah, then the
wing.
The freaking wing. And then Thursday, part of it will get picked up. So.
Hell yeah, guys. So Leo's actually already selling parts left and right, and subscribers actually came right now all the way from Palmdale, picked up his wing, which was pretty dope. We weren't sure that if they were subscribers or not, but that was pretty dope meeting you guys. Yeah, I think like a few.
He's seen this and he's like, how am I supposed to answer this?
Yeah, it's the side hose. That. Oh shit. Alright guys, so I don't think much else is going on in this video, so quick little video, guys. I mean, these SSRs look pretty dope. What the hell are they called? Revolutions, Dance Dance Revolution.
SSR Resident Evil 6 Leon Kennedy.
Yeah, guys. So these SSRs have a really weird name. They have multiple names, but the bottom line is these SSRs look pretty.
Badass.
Yeah, they look pretty damn dope. They look. I think the proper term. They look era. appropriate.
Yeah, that fit his car a lot better.
Yeah, because the wheels and the 248 were pretty much like the same era, so they flow really good, pretty nostalgic. So Leo just needs bigger tires and they will look really good. And, and it looks a little funky right now because...
I've never seen tape turn to thread.
What the
I don't know. I signed off the side of it.
I don't even know what's going on here. So yeah, guys, it does look a little funky right now because he still has the steelies and these fat ass tires on this side, but...
I don't know how I could call him.
Marcel, what are you doing over there?
Where's the fucking blow?
So that quick little test fit, damn. So I can't wait till all four is on. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Whose text on is that? Is that yours?
Hey, my ringtone going on. You like that shit?
Who?
Or elote. It's an elote.
Yeah,
man.
guys. So me and Marcel gotta go. I'm gonna help him with this right now. We better make tacos later. We got hella cheese. What kind of cheese is that? Jalapeno Jack?
I don't know. Jesus' mom made it.
Monterey Jack?
She said it came for her lactation.
Yeah. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and definitely give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. So 240 videos are coming, guys, and especially more videos of this. So
This is a prep one of body work.
we'll see you guys in the next video.